Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye.
Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. In this video, I'm going to be doing yet another Kylie Cosmetics haul. I'm going to be swatching and comparing similar shades to Kiss Me Sailor, Private Island Gloss, Leave Him on Red, Risqué, and Don't Trip. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. And while you're here, why not subscribe? So first up, we're going to do Kiss Me Sailor, which is a soft nude mauve. I just want to say first up that this is the packaging. Honestly, I'm not that much of a fan. It kind of reminds me of the 4th of July, which I understand that this was supposed to be a summer collection, but it got pushed back due to COVID. It's just not my favorite kind of packaging. I don't really think of this style when I think of Kylie Cosmetics. That's just the packaging. Let's put on Kiss Me Sailor.
No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one, 'cause I just need.
So this lip kit is a lot like the Kylie lip kit, where there are two different shades, and this is actually darker. It reminds me a lot of the Kylie lip kit, so I'm definitely going to swatch those two together. But I would think that this seems a little bit more mauve-y and cool tone compared to Kylie, but we'll see officially towards the end of the video. I'm really surprised that this was part of the summer collection because I would treat this shade kind of like a fall color for sure. At first, I didn't know if I was gonna like it because for me, my skin tone, usually warmer colors do better on my lips. So I was scared a little bit, but I think that this is a really cute fall nude color. I don't see myself wearing this all the time. And again, her matte formula is always 100% kiss proof, but I'm gonna show you again. So as you see, nothing's here. All right, and it's practically nothing. I had a little bit, but that's probably because it needs to dry. The next color that I'm gonna do for you guys is Private Island, which is a high gloss. I'm not a gloss person, but I like to swatch them for you guys because I know that a lot of people who are on my channel do love the high glosses. Now, it's not because I don't like Kylie Cosmetics glosses, it's just because I'm just a fan of matte formula or like kiss proof formulas. I will have a gloss moment every now and then, but that moment is very rare. Private Island is a sheer cherry red.
You were like, hello, hello, hello. And I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Got a case of FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. 'Cause I don't wanna let go.
Okay, in terms of this gloss, I really wish that it was more opaque. I wish it had more pigment in it. I feel like with her sheer ones, they're a little too sheer for me. This does have a little bit of red in it, but I just wish it was 2 tinges more. That being said, the lip gloss is definitely very comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel like globby or anything like that. I'm definitely interested to see how it compares to the other sheer glosses that I do have. But now we're gonna move on to these 3 new lip kits, but they're not new because they're actually from the winter collection. But I kind of was like, should I show you guys how it looks like? And I figured why not, because now it's like a lip kit and not just, you know, the lips. So first up we have Don't Trip. And Don't Trip is Team Santa. Don't Trip is a soft rosy nude.
Like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh, la, 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 la.
Obviously, I'm a huge fan of the shade. I'm so glad it became a freaking regular shade at this point because I love me a nude. I love a rosy nude for sure. I do love how this looks like on my skin tone, but I honestly feel like this color would be really beautiful on most skin tones, to be honest. Alright, so next up, I'm going to be doing Leave Him on Red. And Leave Him on Red is a warm raspberry red.
I'm the only one, 'cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like, hello, hello, hello. And I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing.
And I feel like this color is pretty nice. It's like your classic red. Actually, on my holiday video, I compared this to Bougie, which was a lot more darker and like that cranberry red versus this red. I'll see if there's any other reds since then that I would like to compare it to. But next up and last up, we have Risqué. And Risqué is a mid-tone blue pink, which is Rosy Cheeks from the holiday collection.
Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. Now I'm singing like ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la.
So I absolutely love this blue pink color. I think it's a really sweet color. Perfect for the fall time for sure. So I'm really happy that she came out with these shades because I feel like they're perfect fall and winter colors. Even though Kiss Me Sailor was originally intended for the summer, I'm happy it came out now. I feel like this is the perfect time. Next up, I'm going to show you guys some swatch comparisons. So first up, we have Kiss Me Sailor, Kylie, and Don't Trip. Now Don't Trip is definitely darker out of these three, so we're gonna focus on Kiss Me Sailor and Kylie. Honestly, Kiss Me Sailor and Kylie are pretty similar. I would just say that Kiss Me Sailor is like a cooler, darker cousin to Kylie. Next up, we have Leave 'Em on Red and Kristen. Now these two are also kind of in the same color family, but I would just say that Leave 'Em on Red is like Kristen, but lighter and more red. All right, next up we have Risqué and Snow Way Bae. Honestly, these two are also really similar, but I would say Snow Way Bae is lighter and more of a coral element to it compared to Risqué. Last up, we have Private Island and Can I Borrow That? I think it actually comes up on the camera, but Private Island is actually a little bit more red tone than Can I Borrow That? Can I Borrow That is a lot more clear than Private Island. And that concludes my swatch comparisons. As always, if there's a swatch you think I missed out on, just comment down below and I'll get that out to you as soon as I can. So that concludes my Kylie Cosmetics haul. I hope you guys found it very informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other Kylie Cosmetics haul videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day.